another episode of Let's Save the Plant. Bienvenidos a otro episodio de Salvemos la Planta. And I just got this Tradescantia. I don't know the variety, I'm not really sure. No sé la variedad. But it was very like that. So we're gonna try to save it. Vamos a tratar de salvarla Rodrigo style, al estilo rodrigano. So for that, we're gonna try to regrow some of these in water and leave some of it in the dirt. Vamos a tratar de crecer un poco de esto en agua y algo de lo que quede en el suelo. For the water part, we're just gonna use something very simple like this. Yeah, vamos a crecer en agua esto, grow roots. The person who brought me this plant said that they tried to grow it in water and it didn't work. La persona que me trajo esto me dijo que trataron de crecerlo en agua y no funcionó. So, of course, that told me I need to try that. Necesito tratar. I have no idea how this plant grows, but this to me is just. Let's look at this plant a little bit better. So this is what I have so far, right? I have this, tengo esto, which I would definitely put in water. This, maybe, like that, to grow some roots. So this one goes directly in here. Este va a ir directamente ahí, para tratar de crecer un poco de raíces. And then here we have just a little bit of roots. Tenemos un poquitito de raíces nomás. So the problem with this plant, I think that it was overwatered. Esta planta la regaron demasiado. I'm gonna try. Say I have to leave this. I feel like I can get some roots from this one too. This part, I don't really know what to do with this, to be honest. But I'm still gonna leave it because, like, maybe it could grow something. And this, yeah, same with this. So I feel like I will just try to. I'm just gonna plant this. Ya, esto lo vamos a desplantar, pero bien abajo. And we need a little bit more dirt here. More dirt. Yeah, you know what? Do this because I have a leaf right here. Yeah, we're gonna cut it right here. Vamos a cortar esta planta. Vamos a cortarla ahí. This is too heavy. And this one we're gonna keep also. Try to grow it in water. Just that, cut this one in half, and put this one in water here together with the other one. See what happens. Hopefully in a couple of days we have some roots. Out of curiosity, la vamos a poner igual ahí en el agua. And maybe we can give some support to this one because it feels like it's. I don't know how these plants are supposed to grow, to be honest. No sé cómo se supone que tienen que crecer estas plantas, pero I don't like how it's growing. So maybe help it like this, maybe for now, until it gets some good support, something like that. Yeah. Ridiculous, but that's me. just to support the plant. There we go. Water it a little bit. Not a lot, because that was the first problem. Un poquito de agua por aquí. Por allá. That's it. We wait for the soil to start absorbing the water, draining. For this to drain. Que drene esto. Okay, there is raining. That's what we want. Yep. Now we're ready to put it in its place before we drain a lot of water and we leave la cagada. And this is gonna be its new home, and I hope it grows good. Ojalá que la salvemos, and I'm gonna be updating. Voy a estar haciendo updates soon to come. I need to transplant this one also. This is a cherry tomato clone. Un clone de una planta cherry de tomate. I'm gonna move this then, to see if I can get 2 clones of that plant and help in this whole process. And for that, these are gonna go here in the cloning area, or maybe here. Yeah, maybe here. That's better. Maybe here. Yeah. So that's for now. Eso por ahora. Gracias. I was just checking the plants, and I noticed that this one, Tradescantia or something like that, just had a tiny root. Salió una pequeñita raíz right there. To this cutting. So we may be able to at least reproduce it. Así que quizá vamos a ser capaces de reproducirla. That was it. That was the short update. Thank you guys. See you later. So this is not the full video, but I wanna just show how this plant is doing. Tradescantia. Quiero mostrar cómo está esta planta ya. It has a lot of roots. Tiene un montón de raíces. So just for now, I'm gonna move it into this just to give it the same medium. Ya, para que esté en el mismo sustrato, instead of putting it directly into soil. So let's see, here we go. We're just going to try to put the root through here. Vamos a pasar la raíz por ahí. There we go. The root is there in the water. Just gonna fill it with pebbles. Vamos a llenar de piedritas de arcilla for support and stability. Para soporte, estabilidad, que la planta no se mueva para todos lados en el fondo. But like I said, this is temporary. Esto es temporal, como dije. So it's gonna be like this for now until it grow more roots, hasta que haya crecido más raíces. That's it. Eso por ahora. Let's go. Before I post the saving the Tradescantia video, justo antes de postear este video, I'm gonna show how this plant is doing. because I put it here like 4 days ago. Hace como 4 días la puse en esta vasija. And you can already see the air roots. Esas son las raíces que absorben el aire. So it's doing pretty good. I'm probably gonna have to repot this plant soon because it's not even mine, so I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it. No es mi planta, ni siquiera sé lo que voy a hacer con ella. Si quieres recuperar tu planta, me avisas, no hay problema, ¿eh? Porque esta planta es tuya. If you wanna get your plant, just let me know. It's all good. Thank you. See you later. Bye.